Here I have Dongfeng Box, and let me show you how to change the screen, how to navigate this screen behind the wheel. Let's begin. Alright, so all you need to do to navigate this screen right here, you need to use the following button on your wheel in the left down corner. Let's just press it once, and you've got information about your trip, trip A, about your trip B. You've got the information about the tire pressure, the graph with instant power consumption, the vehicle maintenance. In my case, distance from the next maintenance is 14,000 kilometers, above that. And you can close all of these windows. You can press again to see the trip A, and if you would like to reset your trip, all you need to do is hold down the OK button on the left. Let's do it. As you can see, you can just reset in that way. Of course, right now I've got 0 kilometers, so I can't do that, but this is the really useful way if you would like to measure your battery consumption. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.